Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. Today I'm coming by with an actual review. I know, weird, right? This is a box from BeeBeeCraft. And I got some really awesome stuff. This, first of all, is sorry, I should have had this open already. It is a multi-colored metal lobster claw clasps. There are 3 different silvers: the silver, the sterling silver color, the silver, and the gunmetal or black color. The brass, the antique brass, and the copper color. These are awesome for bracelets, for just anything. These are gonna be really great. Alright, those were the first thing. Then I got, sorry, these bags are really hard to open. Then I got these awesome multi-colored glass beads. They're like my fire polish beads, so I'm not sure if these are fire polished or not, but they're silver on one side and colored on the other. They're just really great. These will be really nice on, like, above some polymer clay beads on earrings or on a bracelet, something like that. Okay. Then I'm just going to go ahead and open both of these. I got these sets of collections of toggle clasps. I really needed these, but these are really awesome. I'm just going to show you these in particular. These are so cute. They've got the loop on the bottom side to attach to the necklace. And then the little loop on the actual toggle. These are so cute. So, that is one style. There are 4 different styles of the copper, 5 of the brass color, and 5 of the silver color. Look at these little locks and keys. Those are so cute. So, that is one of the collections. The other collection is just silver, which I use silver more than any other color, although I do use the other colors. again, with these large, these are just gorgeous. I was so impressed when I first opened this. It's not even believable. I can't wait to use these. And again, with the little leaf. And where's the other ones? Oh, really cute. No. Although those are really cute. Anyway, they're all just adorable. These are so cute. Little triangles. These are little butterflies. So, I'll be using these in projects coming up. I just got a new email from BeeBeeCraft. They have got worldwide free shipping now. That is just amazing. So, if you're looking for somewhere to buy costume jewelry supplies especially, this is the place to go. BeeBeeCraft. Really fun and awesome stuff. I'll list the links below. The links to my social media will be listed below. Bye for now.